Okay, welcome, and this is significant figure series number 4. All right, now we talk about final zeros, or sometimes are called trailing zeros in the decimal portion. Decimal portion only. I bolded this word only here. Okay, it should be decimal portion only. These zeros are considered to be significant figures. These are final zeros or trailing zeros, right? Trailing zeros, okay, in the decimal portion are significant. All right, let us have an example. Okay, a number like 100.00. Okay, how many significant figures are there? Right? How many significant figures are there? Okay. Now here we say that we have we have 5 significant figures. This number here has 5 significant figures. Okay. So 100.00, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these zeros here are counted as significant figure, right? And we can have a number like 123.00. Okay, this also has 5 significant figures. Okay, a number like 1.00 has 3 significant figures. Has 5 significant figures. Has 3 significant figures. Okay, a number like 0.0 0.020. Okay, 0.02, this number has 2 significant figures. It has 2 significant figures. A number like 1.020 has 4 significant figures. This 0 here is now counted. Again, this 0 here is now counted because it is between 2 non-zero. So this has 4 significant figures. Okay. Now, if we write these numbers into standard form, for example, 100.00 can be written as 1 times 10 power 2. If we move to this point here, which has 1 significant, if we require 1 significant figure, you can write it this way: significant figure. It can be written as 1.0 times 10 power 2, as 2 significant figures. Can be written as 1.00 times 10 power 2. This has 3 significant figures. Can be written as 1.000 times 10 power 2. Now this has 4 significant figures, right? Now this is the mysterious of significant figure. If we have a dot here and we have zeros to the right, okay, final zeros or trailing zeros in the decimal portion only are significant. You see, we can write this in any number of significant figure as given that the zeros are after the decimal. Okay, when we put dot and then 00, those zeros are counted as significant. Now, if we write 1.020, this is the same as 1.02 times 10 power 0, because nothing has changed. Yeah, this has 3 significant figure. Has 3. Okay, 3 significant figure. significant figures. But if we write, this can be written as 1.020 as it is now here. Now because of this, okay, times 10 power 0, it still has 4. Now it is having 4 significant figures. Now you see this number, if we are ordered to write it even in 8 significant figure, we just add zeros after the decimal, right? If you are ordered to write 100, for example, in 6 significant figures, you just add zeros here to make them 6. Fine? So this is how we can write numbers into required significant figures. Fine? Required significant figures. And now you see that how zeros play a big role in significant figure. They are restricted. In the first, we saw that non-zero, all non-zero. We talk about zero, all non-zero digits. Okay, number 1, all non-zero digits, non-zero digits. Non-zero digits, all of them are significant figures. Okay, but we came to the second. The second one told us about zeros between non-zero. Okay, zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Okay, significant. And the third one talked about zeros to the left of non-zero digit. Zeros to the left of non-zero digit. Non-zero digit. These are not, they are not significant figures. Okay, not significant figures. Okay, but then finally we talked about trailing zeros. Only, we said only in a portion in the decimal portion only. Trailing zeros in decimal portion. Are significant. They are significant. So these are very special things we talked about these things. Okay, thank you for watching. And subscribe.